This is the Rabbit mouse. It looks a little bit different than your average gaming mouse, and in this video review we are going to take a closer look at how those small improvements can make a big difference in your productivity. The main difference is that with this mouse, you're not using your fingertips, you're pretty much using the back of your knuckles. When I first started using it, I kept on clicking on the right click button by accident because it felt so weird and I kept shifting my hand in different ways. But within an hour or two, I kind of forgot about it and it felt really great. Once I got used to clicking with this mouse, it felt like a regular mouse. I didn't even notice the difference until the end of the day, where normally my hand is a little bit sore, there's a little bit of pain in my hand, and when I start to feel that, that's when I stop working. But with this mouse, my hand wasn't tired and there wasn't any type of pain. So at the end of the day, that's when I noticed, like, oh wow, this mouse kind of actually works. Design wise, the mouse looks pretty normal. On the side, you'll see a forward and back button, and underneath those buttons, that's where your thumb would go. There's a little bit of a soft texture right there, and that feels nice. And in the middle of the mouse, you got your DPI button. When you click on that, it'll change your DPI settings. That makes it either slower or faster. And when you change your DPI settings, you'll notice that the LED light will change as well. On the bottom of the mouse, you'll see a switch, and that turns off the LED light. So I think that's a nice feature that might get overlooked because the LED lights could be a little bit distracting sometimes. There's also a PC app that allows you to customize the buttons on the mouse. You can also change the DPI settings and the LED light, and you can even manage your macros. So to recap, I love all the customization options. I've been using the mouse for about a week now and haven't felt any soreness or any pain in my hands, which is great. And it could potentially prevent carpal tunnel syndrome, which that alone makes it worth it. So that is it for my review on the Rabbit mouse. If you're interested in this, there's a link in the description below, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know what you guys think about this video.